But imagine that crap though. The man a drive him wheelchair and police pull him over. Hello everyone, WaGwaNious. My name is Rush-Dem Rushawn, coming to you again with another spectacular vlog video. So if it's a first time offender, don't forget, try to remember, hit that subscribe button and don't let me have nothing. So for this week vlog video, I about some crazy stuff happening in Florida. Mad people live over here. I'm gonna read some of Florida's most craziest headlines. Be a cool kid over here. And then give you know my honest opinions and comments.
Rush-Dem said like the video.
So alright, headline number 1. Florida man steals a car and realizes a baby is in it and drops baby off safely and make his getaway. At least him realize that the baby in there and him have look a conscience and bring back the baby in my yard, you know? Doc, this dog that's farting on my video. Yes, he say him all for me and him have things today, you know, because they're right here, so, and the duck literally does farting on my video. No lie. Now me and him want to have things. Me I gonna ignore him. Me I gonna rebuke him. Me I gonna rebuke this duck with the behind him because he want me and him have things. Them say I be my people come from Florida, you know. If you watch me right now, you know that me are one of them. Oh my Jesus. Florida man awarded $37,000 after cops mistake Lay's donut crumbs for meth. Oh, what kind of police them there? Basically, they lock up the man because the man just don't come from Dunkin' Donuts and eat him Krispy Kreme. What they call the Krispy Kreme donut. They have look a, you know, look a glazed donut crumbs on him. And them things say I coke the man I take. Arrest the man. But I guess if I see him picture still, that thing say man take coke too. When you listen to that one here. It look like I be a cokehead there in Florida free. No wonder the police they want to lock up that man there. Because that one don't make no sense. You know. 73-year-old woman worried about meth she was smoking and asked the doctor to test it. Probably I worry said the meth not too healthy, you know. She probably a smoke it and I say, yo, something right with this, you know, like me start feel different, something right. Oh my Jesus. She just ask the doctor, yo, she can't test it out, you know, to see if something wrong with it. Alright, next headline. Florida man and drugs. Yeah, that's the trend here, people. Stay away from drugs. The hell, bro? Florida man on drugs kills imaginary friend and turn himself in. The man kill him imaginary friend. Him couldn't deal with the guilt no more. You know? We can't imagine that conversation there, yo. Yeah. Florida man allegedly stabbed brother after macaroni and cheese goes missing. Imagine that feeling. You open the fridge door and you're dead for hungry and you mind upon the macaroni and cheese all day. Somebody deserve that stop there. Somebody gonna die today. Miss! Yeah, idiot. Policeman says man with no hands no legs, is armed and on the run. Policeman. Oh, this is so wicked. Yeah, tell me say the man had no arms, no legs, but him armed. Him have a gun and him dep on the run. Oh, you're armed. Armed with what? The man basically land on people like, oh, am I gonna shoot you? That's a lie right there. Lightning should have strike on for that one day. Florida man calls 911 80 times to demand Kool-Aid, hamburgers and weed. What the hell, bro? Oh God. 34-year-old man, Jarvis Carlton. Yeah man, he's a black man this. Whatever weed they did smoke before you make them call it, stop smoke it. You go call 911 and ask him for weed. He's a madman.
Rush-Dem said like the video.
Florida man charged with DUI in motorized wheelchair. But imagine that crap though. The man a drive him wheelchair and police pull him over. We can't imagine that conversation there. Yo. Get up out of the wheelchair and walk the straight line. Policeman. Oh, this is so wicked. Man calls 911 to brag about fleeing traffic stop. Nicholas Jones was pulled over by police, but then somehow drive away from them through a parking lot and escape. The man basically call the police for brag upon them. So yeah, escape from them. What the hell, bro? Yeah. The man escaped the traffic stop. Driver basically they lose the police. You know? And my boy probably a drive and be like, yo, we can't believe we just did that a while ago, you know. Them police boy, they could hold me a while ago, yo. Headline. A Florida woman was arrested and charged with aggravated assault without intent to kill after reportedly farted loudly in dollar store, then pulled out a knife on a man who complained. The brother behind her must go complain, say, yo, you're nasty. The woman basically take out a knife. Like, what the hell, bro? That's disgusting of her, though. Like, they can't have local manners. You know, so sometimes you have to let them stuff to go, but go inside, man. Find a bathroom, go outside. You can't expect for just a Lego gas pan people and nobody know to say nothing. Then have the nerves to take out a knife and I threaten the man just because him say, oh, you're nasty. Yeah, but the Florida people this. That one that's all like Florida. Florida man attacks McDonald's employee. Father ain't drink and he never get no straw. So the man basically attacked the employee. I guess this man feel like say, yo, you're supposed to give me a straw. No sir. Them people, yeah man. Florida people. Them say the craziest people come from Florida and New York. I guess me I go do a New York version or a New York headline for my next video. No comment below and make me know if you don't want to see a part 2 or a New York version of the video. Alright guys, I really hope you enjoy the video as much as me enjoy making it for you. But before I go nowhere, I want you to subscribe to my channel. Hit that like button. Leave a comment below. Them things are really important to help my channel grow. Stretch out my back.